Hello guys, so these are my fruits. I have 2 oranges, I have 4 passion fruits, and have 1 tangerine. So you first wash the fruits well. I washed my fruits well, you can see. So now I am cutting them. See the passion fruits, they're all looking this juicy. So now you cut the tangerine also. Plus the oranges as well. You cut them and set them aside. Yeah. So we shall need a container and a strainer. So I make my juice from the oranges, but I also still use the strainer because I don't want the seeds to fall into the juice. You squeeze those oranges very well so that the juice can come out. See how my oranges are juicy, just see. Yeah, they are really juicy. Yeah, you squeeze all of them well. Take your time. Squeeze those oranges. Let that juice come out, the whole of it. Yeah. So thank you all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And for those people who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please come and join this family, Kathy Achieng. Let's be a family. I always post new videos here, any video that I can try out. And if you have any video in particular that you would want me to do for you, just comment in the comment section below. So now these are my tangerine. I also squeezed the juice out of them. You see how juicy it is? So juicy. Wow. Yeah. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone. You can always make juice without a blender. Like me, I don't have a blender. That's why I used my strainer. Yeah, so you squeeze the juice out of, from the strainer. So after that, you remove the other things from the oranges and the tangerine, and then we start making, now you scoop all the fruit juice from the passion fruits. Yeah. When you cut them first, it becomes so easy for you not to cut and then scoop out. Yeah. I separated the juice first. As you can see, it's all going on well. So our next step, we are going to get some sugar. You need sugar. So you add some sugar to the passion fruit seeds. You know, it also helps to remove that juice from the seeds. So you just now start squeezing the juice from the passion fruits. You squeeze that juice, you see? It comes out automatically, very thick, very concentrated, very sweet. Yeah. So after doing that, the other thing you need some water. You are going to need drinking water, cold one. If you want the juice to be cold, you just use the water from your fridge direct, the cold one. Yeah. So after that one, I'm going to put my juice in a jar. Yes. So that's my jar. This is my orange juice and then the passion. I separated them. You see, there is no much difference. So you still strain that juice because you don't want anything to go with the juice. Because the juice is concentrated, now there you can add enough water. So this is our juice. You see, guys, come and we take this juice. It's so nice. Please subscribe to the channel if you've not yet subscribed. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next time in another video.